Mission 1, the Innovation Project Model, involves a few things. One is we're looking at the table right now. To the north of the table, you can see the cargo ship. The part of the table that we're interested in is down here by the bridge is the Cargo Connect logo. So this is the part of the field we're interested in. In your challenge set, there are two bags labeled bag 16, and in bag 16 there are what we call the white Lego bricks. Now for this mission, you're going to have to build a model of your innovation project. So remembering back to earlier when we talked about this season's Innovation Project Challenge, you will use these white bricks to create a model of your innovation project. This is something you'll do before you come to a competition, and it counts as your equipment. So at the start of the match, you will actually take your model and place it in the home region all the way on the west side of the table. There are only a few rules for the innovation project model, and if we look at the rules, the things we got to keep in mind are the innovation project model has to have at least 2 pieces. So looking in here, there's a whole bunch of parts they give you. You have to have at least 2 pieces connected, and at least 1 dimension of your model has to be 4 Lego studs long. So for example, this brick right here, if this brick were incorporated into your model in some way, it is 4 studs in this direction, so you would have the length requirement there. So assuming you have your model built, remember you're going to build this before the competition and you're going to bring it to your matches. All you have to do to get the points is to get some part of it touching the Cargo Connect circle. So that's very specifically worded. Any part of your innovation project model is touching the Cargo Connect logo. So if we were to assume, let's say for example, that the giant chicken statue is your model, in order to get credit, if we do something like this, that wouldn't count because the model is not touching the logo, it's just hovering over it. You would need some part of the model to touch the logo. So just that is good enough. And if you really have to get close, on the line would count, because as we determined in the earlier rules, touching the area or just the very edge of the area counts. But your innovation project model is built with bag 16. My bag 16 is still closed up because I don't have an innovation project model because I am not a challenge team. So that's all for mission 1, and if you complete mission 1 successfully, you earn 20 points. And just as another reminder, the innovation project model you build counts as equipment because it is something you are bringing to the table. So that's it for mission 1. In the next video, we will look at mission 2.